Raindrop, drop top, smoking, no cooking the hot pot. Cooking, you know your bitch, yeah, that. Cooking up dope in the crock pot. We came from nothing to something. Hey, I don't try nobody, grip the trigger. Nobody call up the gang and they come and get gang. Grab me a river, give you a tissue. It's bad and bullshit, bad. Cooking up dope with a Uzi. My niggas sad, it's ruthless. We got 30s and 100 rounds too.
I can't tell you really what it is, but you got it. Makeup in the morning, you got dresses in your closet, but you grab them tights, you in love with being modest.
Hey y'all, welcome back to another vlog. It's your girl Jennifer, also known as TheJenniferMonique. If it's your first time, welcome. If it's not, welcome back, y'all. And I just want to let you know, I bit my lip mid-sentence. But then I just felt like I just had to commit. I had to finish my intro. But I want to let you know, I did bite my lip in the middle of that, which is crazy. But today is Friday, August 25th, y'all. August 25th. It's currently 12:40. I'm on my lunch break. Y'all, I'm so sleepy. Can I be honest? I am so sleepy. So sleepy. I didn't go to bed till like 1 o'clock because I decided to drink espresso coffee at like 4 in the evening. I don't know what my problem was, but baby, I did. But anyway, I need to be opening up these packages. If y'all know it's my lunchtime, so I'm always heating up some food in my vlog. But you see these packages? I need to open those up, but I don't want to open them up because, oops, hold on. Candy be trying to play me. I don't want to open them up because I still have 1, 2, 3 packages that's coming in today, y'all. 3 packages, so I'm trying to wait and wait on those to come in so I can open them all together and all the other jazz. But my people who do social media, tell me how y'all do it. Do y'all batch like y'all content? Because I'm currently working on editing some TikTok videos or in YouTube shorts or whatever. I don't know why I had to pick quotation marks because it's called YouTube shorts, but anyway, not me getting lost in the text message, but I'm gonna edit those so I can get out. Your girl, listen, I pat myself on the back because macros are rude. I have literally been on my content game. Okay, I've been on my content game because I'm trying to get a bag. Now people be like, I'm in my bag. I don't make no money for social media, but I'm trying to get a bag to make for social media. So shameless plug. If you haven't already, go ahead and like, comment, and make sure you hit the subscribe button, baby. Come on, join the family. Okay, join the family. But anyway, I'm just checking in with you guys. Hopefully y'all checking in with you guys when I get off work. Hopefully my package is coming in. Y'all, my glasses chipped on my. Can y'all see that? Like, what happened here? It's not chipped. It looks like the paint from this went under there. I don't know. But let me go. I'm about to eat my lunch, and I'll see you guys when I get off work. Y'all remember that package I was waiting for? Well, she has arrived. But my battery's getting ready to die. Please hold. Okay, so here it is. It has arrived, but it's too small. I wanted it to actually like fill this space. It's a mirror, and I'll place an image of it over here for you guys. It's a mirror, so I believe I'm going to return it. Like, I don't even want to open it because I'm gonna have to take it back up. So I don't literally want to open it. So I just reordered a bigger one, and the one I ordered, let me see what size it is, y'all. This one right here that I ordered is a 64 by 21, and that's just too small for this space here that I want it to be at. So I went ahead and I reordered a 71 by 31 to go here. And I feel like the 71 by 31 would fill in a lot of the space. My husband measured it, and it'd be better. Like, I'm a little sad because it said it's gonna take a week to get here. So yeah, I'm just hoping when that mirror comes, it doesn't clash with this picture. You know what I mean? But we'll see. It's a full length mirror, but it won't be here till Friday. So I'm a little sad about that. But in other news, we have all these packages that we need to open. You know, that's just the box over there. Oh, never mind that. Okay, this is all supposed to be taken to my office, but our front door is right there, so they leave it at the front door, even though I say to leave it at the back door. But whatever, so I just put it here. So these are dresses and stuff that I need to actually try on to see if I'm gonna like for graduation. And these are boxes. So yeah, I'm just trying to see if I want to create content opening it with you guys or just go ahead and open it. So ain't nothing left but to what? Get to it.
Hey! Raindrop, drop top, smoking, no cooking the hot pot. You know your bitch, yeah, that. Cooking the dope in the crock pot. We came from nothing to something. Hey! I don't try nobody, grip the trigger. Nobody call up the gang and they come and get gang. Cry me a river, give you a tissue. It's bad and bullshit, bad. Cooking up dope with a Uzi. My the savage, ruthless. We got 30s and 100 rounds too. My bitch is bad and bullshit, bad. Cooking up dope with a Uzi. My the savage, ruthless. We got 30s and 100 rounds too. All set. Records on records, got backers on backers. I'm riding around in a coupe. I take your right from you. Bitch, I'm a dog. Beat down walls, loose. Hop in the fall. I tell that bitch to come for me. I swear these is under me. The hate and the devil keep jumping me. Bank rolls on me, keep me company. Hey, you get the most. Yeah, pull up and goes. Yeah, my diamonds a choker. Holding up, I with no holster. Read the ruler, diamond cooler. This a roller, not a mule. Dabbing on them like the usual. Magic with the brick do voodoo. Courtside with a bad bitch. Then I send it through Uber. I'm young and rich and plus I'm bougie. I'm not stupid, so I keep the Uzi. Records on records, got backers on backers, so my money.
Hey y'all, happy Saturday. It is currently 10:39 a.m. and it's August 26th, just for reference. So I just finished doing some reels or whatever, for reels and shorts or TikToks, whatever y'all guys want to call them, but it's stuff everywhere, okay? Everywhere. It's ridiculous. I don't know if you're a content creator, please let me know, like, when you're finished doing stuff, does your area look crazy? So today I didn't do anything in my office. I actually was doing everything here, so I just need to straighten up a bit. So like, here's stuff like I think I showed you guys the unboxing of my outfits here. I'm still about to do a video with that. I haven't did this, but you know, I think I told you guys that was all like the dresses. So I just need to put these back in the box or whatever until I'm ready to record that reel. I have my Amazon boxes on the floor. This new mirror here, girl, listen, you need this in your life. Okay, I got mine in black. Now I wanted to do like aesthetically pleasing, like a white, but then I was thinking, girl, listen, white is gonna get dirty. I had white for my iPad case, and baby, I be watching YouTube while doing makeup and it gets so filthy. So I was like, you know what, I'm not even gonna do that to myself. So I ended up ordering it in black. I love this mirror. Look at this. Yes. So I don't know about you, but I hate when I go to the hotel and like the mirror is not mirroring, but this one right here is going to be perfect for me. And we're going out of town in September, so it's gonna, we're in an Airbnb, so stay forward to that vlog. And I was like, okay, what if somebody's in the mirror or somebody's in the bathroom and I need to do my makeup because it's for graduation? So I went ahead and ordered this from Amazon. I love it. Somewhere around here, y'all. It's, first of all, I'm smushing my plant. Let's just talk about that. Sorry, homegirl. But here it is. This one's on. So it has the cord to charge it up. It's just this box. This right here is called the lighted makeup mirror. So it has a rechargeable built-in battery. It's dimmable, touch switch, and foldable bracket. So yeah, ordered this from Amazon. So I'm really excited about that. I just need to get this stuff up. Like, why do I still have that tripod box? I don't know if y'all guys, okay, camera tripping on, but way over here. Okay, the camera set, no. But anyway, I still have like the tripod box over here. I have the cases. Y'all, phone tripping. The glass screen protector. I don't even know where these pearls come from. So I just need to do a little tidying up so I can get back to editing also. But anyway, I don't know. Did I ever show you guys this book? This book is so cute, y'all. I think I did a TikTok for it or a reel. But yeah, it's you know when you get married and you have a guest sign book? Well, we decided not to do that, but do this time right here. It just has like PJ and Jennifer, Point Clear, Alabama, October 16th. And on the side it has like Journey to Jones. There we go, Journey to Jones 2022. And yeah, so we decided, because we did not show everybody our engagement photos, so we decided this was our guest book. So we just had our engagement photos in here and blank copies where everybody could sign in here. And then we just put our engagement photos. So it was our way of showing our guests and making it a little bit more, you know, elite of our engagement photos, because we actually did not post but I believe one of them. So this was like super cute. And so we had to get the pins. Now, sometimes some of them did like bleed on here because they didn't let it dry when it switched over here. And so yeah, and then some people didn't read our sign that said don't sign on the picture. So some people signed on the picture. I'm not mad because they didn't sign on our face. They just seemed like some black spots over here, so they just signed there. But we did have a sign, but you know, it's cool. So this is really, I really love this book because okay, boobs was boobying. Girl, let me tell you, when I gained weight, I gained it all in my boobs and in my hips, because yeah, anywho, my boobs is not like that anymore. But yeah, so this is really special for us. So we decided to make it like a book. So therefore, it's something that we can leave on our coffee table. So whenever we have guests, which is not very often, but it'll be here. And I just thought that was so freaking cute. So definitely recommend that. You can check out my TikTok, or it probably is in a shorts too, but I did one on that. And then this one right here is just the one our wedding planner gave us, and it's our wedding book. So it has like all of our pictures. These are engagement photos too, but some of them that we hadn't posted. But then it was just like photos from the bridal shower and all that other stuff. So I really thought this was like, and then oops, I'm about to drop it. And then from like the wedding, my husband thought he was just singing down, baby, singing down, you hear me? So I just thought this is like really, really cute. Photos of me and my mother. So yeah, I definitely think if you have wedding photos, because you're not going to be able to show them all off to everybody, that you definitely do it like this. So therefore it's like a fun memory, and it can be a photo album book. So it could be a book. So instead of having like those books that people usually have, I don't know what they're called, they're like blank books, we decided to use these as our coffee table books, which just looks really cute on here with my plant, who looks like it's trying to die on me because baby, you need some water, that's why. But yeah, so let me go ahead, clean up, give my homie some water, oops, and do all that jazz.
We from the north, yeah, that way. No, that cookie blunt in the ashtray. This national smash day. Hop in the limb, have a drag race. I let them birds take a bath, baby. Raindrop, drop top, smoking, no cooking the hot pot. Know your yeah, that. Cooking the dope in the crock pot. We came from nothing to something. I don't try nobody, grip the trigger. Call up the gang and they come and get gang. Cry me a river, give you a tissue. It's bad and bullshit, bad. Cooking up dope with a Uzi. My niggas is savage, ruthless. We got 30s and 100 rounds too. My is bad and bullshit, bad. Cooking up dope with a Uzi. My niggas is savage, ruthless. We got 30s and 100 rounds too. Oh, drop money out of space. Yeah, cut, introduce me to your bitch's wifey, and we know she slutty. Broke a brick down, nutty, buddy, nutty, ducky. Don't move too fast, I might shoot you. Draco, bad and bougie. I'm always hanging with shooters. Might be posted somewhere secluded. Still be playing with pots and pans. Call me Quavo Ratatouille. Run with that set, call me booby. When I'm on stage, show me boobies. Ice on my neck on the coolest. How about the suicide with the ooze? I pull up, I hop out with all of the drugs and the good looks. I'm cooking, I'm whipping into it. Rock up, let it lock up. I gave her 10 racks, I told her go shopping and spend it all at the pop-up.
Hey y'all, so it is the end of the day, or whatever. I'm lying, it is not the end of the day, y'all. I don't know what I got going on. It's currently only 1:54. But yeah, I don't know what I was thinking just then. I think the end of the day, because it's the end of my vlogging day, as in like I'm done editing vlogs, so it's the end of, I'm done with vlogs. Editing the vlog, y'all. I don't know what I got going on, but anywho, I'm just hopping on here to end this vlog. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. I know it's a little bit shorter one, but definitely. Now, I have not tried on all those dresses because honestly, I don't have the energy to. But I will be letting you guys know how all those dresses, and I think one of them was the pants, a jumper. Yeah, it was a jumper. Letting you know how those all worked out too as well. So definitely be looking for that. I'll probably just put it in like a short or whatever, because I'll just try them all on, but not today. Okay, not today. But yes, I really hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. If you did, give your girl a thumbs up. It's free. Go ahead and like, comment, and go ahead and hit the subscribe button. If you made it this far and you have not subscribed, boo, what is you doing? Go ahead and hit the subscribe button and join this family. And until next time, I'll see you later. Bye.
But you ain't even flexing. But you ain't even flexing. But you ain't even flexing.